Hello, everyone. I'm excited. Our next book that we're going to be starting here soon came today. So we are just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku series. This will be volume number 2. And just like volume 1, it does have 320 puzzles with the answers at the back. So if you want to be able to solve along with me, get your orders in so that you can get this in time for us to start it. Again, there is a link down in the description, or you can search for it on Amazon. And we will be starting this one as soon as we finish volume 1. Just a quick reminder, please do like, subscribe, and share with anyone you think would enjoy our content. Again, we'll be getting started with this volume 2 soon. Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link down in the description, or you can search for it on Amazon. Also, as you can see, we are almost done with Volume 1. And so we'll next be moving on to Volume 2, and I will put a link down in the description for that one as well. I do get a small commission for any purchases. All right, looks like today we're doing number 317. If we look at this row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 9. 3 here, so 8, 9. 8 here, and 3 here. So that means this is our 9, 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 7. 1 here, so 2, 7. That means our 1 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. No help here. 2, 7, 8. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 7, 9. 2 here, so 4, 7, 9. 7 here, so 2, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 7. No help here. 1, 2, 6, 7. 1 and 2 here, so 6, 7. 6, 7 here, so 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so 5, 6. Same here, 5, 6. 5 and 8 here, and a 6 here. So that makes this our 3. 6 here. Our 8 must be here because it couldn't be here or here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5 and 6 here, so 2, 9. Same here, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 6 here, so 7, 9. 6 here, so 1, 7, 9. 6 here, 7 here, so 1, 9. 1 here, 7 here, but our 6 couldn't be in any of those boxes. So this must be our 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 7 here. So 5, 9, 7 there. So 1, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 9. Got a 2 there, so 1, 4, 9. 1 and 4 there, so 2, 9. No help here, 1, 4, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, 8, 9. Got a 2 here and a 7 here, so 8, 9. 2 and 8 here, so 7, 9. 9 here, so 2, 7, 8. We look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, 7, 8, 9. We've got 1 and 8 here, and a 7 here. So 4, 9. 4 and 8 here, 7 here. So 1, 9. 4 and 8 here. So 1, 7, 9. So if we look back, the only place our 4 can be is here. Only place our 8 can be is here. So with that 4, we can get rid of this 4 and this 4. That 8 doesn't help us there, but we can get rid of this 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 3, 5, 7. 3 and 8 here, so 2, 5, 7. 5 here. And 4. Just the 5, so 2, 3, 7, 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, and the 5. So 2, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. We've got 2, 6, and 8 here. So 3, 7. 3, 7 here. So 2, 8. for this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Got 5 here, 2 here. So 3, 7, 9. 3 and 7 here. So 2, 5, 9. All right, now we've just got to take a look here, see what we can see. Looks like in this column, the only place our 4 can be is here. Only place for this column that our 4 can be is here. This row, the only place our 1 can be is here. So we can get rid of this 1. This row, the only place our 5 can be is here. And that makes this the only place our 6 can be. And that 5 makes this 6. So now we can get rid of this 6. And we may just have to make a guess to get this finished out. All right, let's just take a swing at it. If we call this 9, 2, that 9 makes this our 7, and 5. So we can get rid of this 5, 7, that's 7, that's 7. With that 2, we can get rid of that 2, and that 2 makes this our 7, 5. Get rid of this 7, this 5. This 7 makes this our 3. And the 7 makes this our 2. That makes this our 8. And I think we have, yep. So we need a 6 here for this row now, but we've got the 6 there. All right. We didn't make it through that one. If you saw where I made a mistake, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.